What is Private Investors Network? Private Investors Network is a new format of business and blockchain events oriented for people interested in blockchain technology. Private Investors Network connect people from all over the world with private events targeted on European, Asian, and American users to connect all of them via social media and private network events. In 2020, ICOSPEAKS will launch Private Investors Network events in Zurich, Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Dubai, and other cities related to our community, to meet local investors and to help them join our community of private investors. Private Investors Network was powered by an ICOSPEAKS Telegram community, which has already reached over 600,000 members around the world. ICOSPEAKS educate young investors to help them learn more about blockchain and cryptocurrency in general. ICOSPEAKS connect investors from all over the world using social media and network events. ICOSPEAKS helps in marketing and fundraising for blockchain startup projects. Private Investors Network solution, blockchain as a technology for any kind of business and government. Cryptocurrency as a payment tool, financial education, knowledge about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Opportunities with ICOSPEAKS Private Investors Network. Discuss new business opportunities, find new friends, partners, investors, build new friendly contacts. Please consider joining us today to stay up to date. Visit our website at icospeaks.com or on Telegram at ICOSpeaks News.